If you're trying to generate leads, find email addresses, or automate outreach but Snov.io feels overwhelming or confusing, this video is for you. In this complete beginner to pro walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to use Snov.io step by step. We'll cover everything from creating an account, finding prospects, scraping LinkedIn data, to email warm-up and sending emails. I'll also be showing you how to automate follow-ups and using Snov.io like a pro. You don't need any experience. I'll explain everything in plain English. Now let's dive in. What Snov.io actually does. Before clicking anything, let's clarify what is Snov.io. Snov.io is an all-in-one lead generation and outreach platform. You can use it to find leads, discover verified email addresses, and also warm up your email, send cold emails, automate follow-ups, and also manage LinkedIn and email outreach in one place. So instead of using 5 different tools, Snov.io combines everything into one dashboard. Now, who is Snov.io best for? Snov.io is perfect for you if you're doing B2B outreach, freelancing or running an agency, or you're selling services or SaaS, and you're recruiting or sourcing leads, or you're running LinkedIn plus email campaigns, and if you want predictable outbound leads, this tool is built for that. Now, how to create your Snov.io account. I've left a link below that you can use to sign up for completely free. Once you have tapped on that link, you'll be redirected to a page just like this, and you're going to simply tap on sign up. From there, you're going to be able to sign in using your email or Google account, and once you verify your email, you'll be logged into a dashboard just like this, and this is how your main dashboard will look. From here, you'll be able to see email finder, campaigns, email warm-up, and also LinkedIn automation. And don't worry, I'll be going through each one of them. Now, how to find prospects in Snov.io. This is where lead generation actually starts. So you're going to go over to the top left-hand corner and you're going to tap on leads. Once you have tapped on leads, from there you're going to select prospects. And from here, the first method that I want you to use, you're just going to tap on find new lead. After you have tapped on find new lead, you have numerous options. For example, you can search the Snov.io database by simply typing in a company name or an industry, as you can see right here. But what I would recommend you do is go over to the left hand menu option and you could select domain search. With domain search, all you need is to enter a company domain name. Once you have done that, Snov.io will show you employee emails, job roles, departments, and verification status. This is perfect for B2B targeting. Another thing that you can also do when it comes onto Snov.io is you can use their LinkedIn search. So this is how you'll be able to find email addresses from LinkedIn using Snov.io. All you need to do is paste in a LinkedIn profile URL, as Snov.io will find business email, verification status, and also company data. So if you use Sales Navigator, you'll be able to export leads, enrich profiles, and also find verified emails at scale, and this saves you hours of manual work. Now, if it is a case that you would like to use Snov.io to scrape data, you can also do that. All you need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option. From here, you're just going to tap on bulk email search. After you have tapped on bulk email search, from here you'll be able to upload a CSV file, and it will enrich existing email lists or clean bad or invalid emails. This is critical because bad emails hurt deliverability. Think of this as your data cleaning and enrichment engine. Now, how will you be able to warm up emails using Snov.io? Once in your dashboard, you're going to simply hover over deliverability. From here, you're going to tap on email warm up. And this is perfect before sending emails. You must warm up your inbox. Email providers don't trust new or inactive inboxes. So all you need to do is you're going to simply tap on add mailbox. From there, you'll be able to tap on choose email accounts. After you have tapped on choose email account, you'll tap on add email. Once you have tapped on add email, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you have the option to either connect your Gmail, Workspace, Microsoft, or you can connect your SMTP as you can see right here. Once you have connected your email, you'll be able to turn on warm up. Then you can set your daily limits and let it run for 2 to 4 weeks, and this alone can double your inbox placement. Once you have done that, how to send emails from Snov.io. So once warmed up, you can start outreach. To create your first campaign, you can simply hover over campaigns from the top navigation bar. Then you're going to simply tap on new campaign, or you can choose to use a template. So for instance, we could tap on use a template. After you have tapped on use a template, from here you can see different layouts that you can choose from. You can tap on Snov.io templates. If you want to create templates, you can do that. You can go over to the left hand menu option and you can see different template options that you can select from, and you can simply tap on select template as you can see right here. Once you have tapped on select template, you can set up the process. So you can go over to the left hand menu option. From there you can drag email. Then from there you can set up the different conditions. So you can select leads, you can write your email, and you can also add your personalization. Now this is also the dashboard that you'll be using to automate everything. As you can see right here, you can automate everything. So we could tap on next step. After you have added the email, for example, you could also link in as another step if you want. And by going down the line, after you have added that, you can also set up different conditions, and you can also delays in between. So this makes it look even more natural. After you have set up the sequence, you'll tap on next. Once you have tapped on next, so let me proceed anyway. Once you have tapped on next, from here you'll be able to add in the prospects as you can see right here. After you have added in the prospects, you'll be able to set up the sending options. So we could tap on sending options. So you can connect the email account, or you can add LinkedIn account as you can see right here. Then you'll be able to review it and you can start sending out. And if it is a case that you would like to use Snov.io on LinkedIn, Snov.io also supports LinkedIn automation as you can see right there. So you'll be able to send connection requests, follow profiles, and also visit profiles and sync LinkedIn plus email workflows. This creates multi-channel outreach which converts much better than email alone. After you're finished setting up everything, you'll be able to track results and analytics. To do this, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option. On the left-hand menu option, you can select reports. From here, you'll be able to monitor everything. So you'll be able to monitor open rates, reply rates, bounce rates, and also campaign performance. This helps you optimize messaging instead of guessing. Now, a common beginner mistake to avoid is sending emails without warm up, or using generic copy, or sending too many emails too fast, and not verifying emails, or not tracking replies. Fixing these alone can drastically improve results. And with Snov.io, you're provided with these options. Not only are you able to find leads as you can see right here, you can also tap on their verify option from the top navigation bar. From here, you'll be able to verify single emails, or you can choose to verify bulk emails as you can see right there. And they also provide the option to warm up emails as you can see, and you can also do their deliverability check. So you're given numerous options, and you can also connect multiple emails, and from there you'll be able to select the uni box, and this is where you'll be able to monitor everything. With Snov.io, you're also provided with option to use their CRM. So from here, you'll be able to in deals, and you'll be able to set up different pipelines and so on. So if you want to try out Snov.io, you can check the link below in the description and pin comment for a free trial. And if this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.